Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Hemi Meach, and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. Today's video, I got some real good news, man. Today's video is gonna finally be, my knuckles ashy. Today's video is finally gonna be an unboxing video. And as the last couple of, my last video before that, well, the last couple videos I've been talking about the Torqstorm. And so today we're gonna do an unboxing. But first, before we even get into the video, my car is dead. I've been away on a work trip for about two-ish weeks, so I ain't really drove it. Came back to turn it on. Yeah, it's not starting. So basically, as you can see, this little thing in this box is gonna help me. Y'all make sure y'all use the code below. I'm gonna leave a link for it too, also in the link in the bio, because when I say this thing is pretty convenient, this is also gonna help me do my Torqstorm. When I start on my Torqstorm, let me just show y'all. When I actually start my Torqstorm, I know y'all probably like, oh nigga, just get to the unboxing, blah blah blah. Okay, we gonna get there. I gotta talk about this nifty little product, man. I'm gonna leave, like I said, I'm gonna leave the code in the bio, so y'all can, or I'm gonna leave the code on the screen somewhere, man, so y'all can go get y'all one, use my code, man. Y'all get y'all one. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's daytime, it's not gonna show how bright. You can literally hook it somewhere while you working in the engine bay. Bro, this is gonna be so clutch when I'm doing my car, because as y'all do know, I'm gonna do it. So, but look at that. You got this flash. Okay, cool. Let me show y'all. As y'all can see, like, yeah, power on and everything. It ain't super dead, but you go to start it, it ain't got enough juice. All right, let me stop clicking it. It ain't got enough juice, basically, so let me show y'all something. As y'all can see, focus. This is what my battery life is on right now. So we finna go on the back, hook this battery pack up. Hook this up. Connect these, real simple connection. You can throw away your jumper cables once you get this. I'd say grab this, bro. Very good investment, honestly. But I'm gonna go to the trunk real quick. All right, y'all, so it's just as simple as this, literally. Let me go ahead and start it up, hit the button. See? Getting an alert on my phone. Alright, like I said, man, y'all go use the code, my link, and go tap into the website. This is the name of the product. Start my car right up. Like I said, the car wouldn't start up at first. I gotta check engine light. I don't know what that's about. Probably something small, but yeah, so y'all can see, let's get into the unboxing video now, man. So, as I was saying, we back in the house now, and it's time for the unboxing. I don't know where to start with. I don't know where to start with the unboxing, but we about to get it started, y'all. As y'all can see, but we're gonna go ahead and start with this box now. I already cracked it open because I had to make sure that everything was in here. You feel me? That and I was being a little thirsty, but that's something else. All right, so y'all can see, I got her for my camera that too. They got an installation guide. We got a, I don't know why they sent out a ruler. Somebody let me know in the comment section why they sent out the ruler. And I guess it's just everything that they sent. That don't really matter. Y'all don't really care for all that. They sent this. I don't know if I want to put this on or leave it off. I don't know yet, but yeah. All right, so that's just wrapping paper, wrapping paper, wrapping paper, more wrapping paper. Damn, wrapping paper. This light come on too? Yeah, dude. All right, cool. My bad. I got all the lights on. I ain't gonna be all day. But yeah, as y'all can see, it come with a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff, as y'all can see. Come with a lot of stuff. Now I ain't gonna pull everything out. I'm gonna just mainly pull the important stuff out. This is a pulley. This is the pulley belt. Pulley belt. They gave me an air filter. Also, oh crap. Good catch. Okay, also ended up getting the ATI super dampener. The motherfucker kind of got some weight to it, and just a lot of boxes in here, man. So y'all can see, I ain't gonna do no. I mean, it is kind of unboxing. I know y'all don't give a fuck about seeing all of that. Y'all probably just mainly want to see the shit on the car already. I'm pretty sure that's gonna come in due time. Y'all just stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. All right, let's come over here. And I got this box separately. And somebody give me a drum roll in the comment section, please. Because, all right. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all would have already seen it. But this is for, you know, the ones on YouTube. So, but as y'all can see, look at that. Oh my God. The snail on the back. Hold on, let me take it out for y'all. Ooh, wee. Ooh. Big snail on the back. Oh my God. It already come. Y'all can see the tag. This is crazy. Oh, okay. All right, so it's hot. I'm hot, y'all hot. I'm hot. Y'all hot. I'm hot now. Shit. I'm hot, but completely great, man. I'm grateful, beyond grateful. Can't wait to mount the Torqstorm up, put it on, all that good stuff, man. Can't wait to put it on, man. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss the next couple of drops. I'm waiting on the intercooler. I'm probably finna order that stuff. I'm probably gonna order it after I come back from my trip and stuff, and then I'll probably order that because I got to get an intercooler and the piping and stuff. That's light work. That was the biggest thing. That's little stuff. So y'all make sure y'all tap into the videos, man. As y'all can see, I got a big smile on my face. Grateful. Appreciate y'all for liking, watching all the videos, subscribing, commenting, and everything that y'all do on a daily basis. You know, when y'all click on that, y'all see that hit me meets posted, and I posted stuff like that. Appreciate y'all for, you know, tapping in. So highly appreciate it. I honestly feel like I would not be doing YouTube if, I don't know, when I started a couple years ago, when I had like 100 subscribers, or when I just seen the subscriber count going up, and I ain't think I was gonna have like damn near 12,000 subscribers, you feel me? So over 3 million views and stuff like that. So I appreciate y'all. The channel still is slowly growing. I'm grateful for the, you know, the rate that I'm at, the position that I'm in, and with how many subscribers I got. So yeah, appreciate y'all, man, and I'll catch y'all boys and girls on the next video, man. Peace.